Hello, and welcome to Solution Safety. Learning while you're young is one of the best ways to make workplace safety a lifelong priority. That's why today, we're going to be focusing on safety tips for young and new workers. When you're young, it's easy to think that workplace accidents won't happen to you. In some cases, young workers may be attempting to impress their supervisor, or they may be reluctant to ask important health and safety questions of their supervisor or manager. But the truth is that hundreds of Nova Scotians are injured on the job every year, and every single one of those injuries are preventable. In fact, there were 4,977 injuries and 32 deaths reported by the Workers' Compensation Board in 2020. Tip number 1, know your rights. By law, every Nova Scotian has 3 core rights in the workplace. Right to know. You have a right to information on issues that affect your health and safety. Right to refuse. You have the right to refuse unsafe or unhealthy work. Right to participate. You have the right to participate in the selection of members of a joint occupational health and safety committee or a health and safety representative. You also have the right to report unsafe conditions and voice your concerns or opinions on any issue that affects your health and safety or the health and safety of anyone at the workplace. Tip number 2, recognize the risks. Every job has risks. Recognizing and eliminating these risks where possible is the best way to keep yourself safe. Although every job and every risk is different, all hazards you encounter in the workplace will belong to one of these 5 groups: physical, chemical, biological, ergonomic, or psychosocial. Your employer must provide you with the information and training necessary to reduce the risks in your work. Tip number 3, use your voice. Especially as a new worker in a new job, and especially when you're young, it can be tough to speak up about your safety concerns. But it's one of the most important things you can do to keep yourself and others safe from harm. Just a few minutes of discussion could prevent a life-changing injury or worse. If you're still not sure about talking to your boss, you can also contact a member of your workplace Joint Occupational Health and Safety Committee or Workplace Safety Representative, or contact the Occupational Health and Safety Division by telephone at 1-800-952-2687 or by email at safetybranch@novascotia.ca. Your voice is the most powerful tool on the job. Make sure you use it. These are just a few tips to get you started, but keep the conversation going. Talk to your coworkers about workplace safety. Read more tips online, and most importantly, stay safe. Please watch our other Solution Safety videos and understand the vital role safety plays in protecting your life and the lives of others.